Hi friends, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress applications into my website, codasgateway.com. So it is going to happen through that CPanel. Okay, as I mentioned that, okay, this is a location for that. Okay, so codasgateway.com. So there is no files in that. So if I'm going to run this particular location, there is no file in it. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to be installed and I will tell you how to do that. Okay. Welcome to Code's Gateway. In your cPanel, I can click on this. I can go to location. I can go to soft software close. Okay. App installer, or I can go the other application as well. So when you click on this, it is going to navigate to this location. Here you can search or you can find your necessary open source application. So I'm going to use like Drupal. Okay, the CMS. Okay, so here I'm going to use this. Okay, that's it. Here I'm going to give a install. So I'm going to use what is that Codas Gateway. That's the location. I don't want a sub folder. Okay, so I'm going to give like Codas Gateway way web solution gateway web solution. That's the name of the site. So I'm going to give like a cg admin. Okay, so I'm going to give a password like, or I'm going to generate it if it is possible. Yeah, it's generating it. So I'm going to use this generated password. I'm going to paste it for reference, I mean for future purpose. So I can keep one more. Okay, so Bala Codas Gateway Drupal. Okay, or you can give it a Drupal. This is a database name, it will create automatically. Okay, CG is a prefix if it is not necessary, or if you can give that, it will automatically add a prefix into table. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. I have to paste it somewhere here, and username is this one, admin username. I'm going to give this. That's it. Okay, nothing else to do that. Just I'm going to give install. That's it. Within few seconds it is get ready. After that you can update it to your backend. Simple. It's a fast installation process. No need to do any upload or something like anything. So the site is ready. That's it. Okay, so this is the location where we are keeping our files and everything. Oh, fine. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to click on that location. Site is ready, and then we have to update it changes in the backend. Okay, so backend URL is this one. Okay, user slash login. So that's it. So cgadmin login. So password is not that one, that's the old password. So I can give like login. No, it is not working. cgadmin. Okay, and password is correct actually. cgadmin password. Okay, I'm going to give now. Okay, that's that. Okay, it's working fine. So that's it. Okay, this is how to install it. If you don't want to these applications, you can uninstall from the package areas. Okay, this is all installation location. From this particular area, you can go to download. Look, you can go to Codas Gateway. From there, you can delete your or remove something like it. That's it. Okay, that's it. In your location, that if you are refreshing it, you can see that all the files are ready in your root location. That's it. Okay. and now if you go into refresh it, it is going to be display our details, and then I can configure all my data, and then the site will be up and ready with the live data. Okay, just keep an update, and then if any suggestions or feedback, please update it in your comment itself, and thanks. Okay, and if anything, just let me know. Thank you so much